Roborock QR798 Robot Vacuum Review, Setup and Maintenance Guide. Worth buying. In this video, we're taking a complete look at the Roborock QR798. We'll cover its features, walk through the setup process, explain the essential maintenance tasks, and help you decide whether it's worth buying for your home. Let's begin with what the Roborock QR798 offers. The QR798 is a robot vacuum and mop with an all-in-one docking station. It can automatically empty the dustbin, wash and dry the mop pads, refill the clean water tank, and recharge itself, reducing the amount of daily maintenance required. It also features LiDAR navigation, obstacle avoidance, spinning mop pads, and up to 10,000 PA of suction power for cleaning hard floors, rugs, and carpets. Now let's set it up. Place the docking station on a flat surface with enough open space around it, plug it into a power outlet, and allow the robot to charge completely before the first use. Next, download the Roborock app from your device's app store. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as the robot does not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi during setup. If needed, press and hold the power and Wi-Fi reset buttons until you hear the Wi-Fi reset voice prompt. Then add the robot through the Roborock app by following the on-screen instructions. Once connected, let the robot complete its first mapping run without interruptions. During this initial cleaning cycle, avoid moving the robot or the charging dock. After the map is created, you can customize room names, set no-go zones, create cleaning schedules, and adjust suction power and water flow directly in the app. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The QR798 performs especially well on hard floors thanks to its powerful suction and dual spinning mop pads. It also handles everyday dust, pet hair, and crumbs efficiently while automatically lifting the mop pads when carpets are detected to help avoid wetting rugs. Its anti-tangle brush system helps reduce hair wrapping compared to many traditional robot vacuums. For maintenance, empty and refill the dock's water tanks as needed, replace the disposable dust bag when it's full, clean the sensors regularly with a soft cloth, and inspect the main brush. Side brush and wheels for hair or debris. Roborock recommends cleaning the main brush approximately every 2 weeks and replacing it every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage. So is the Roborock QR798 worth buying? If you want a robot vacuum with strong everyday cleaning performance, a highly automated docking station, excellent app controls, and minimal day-to-day maintenance, the QR798 is a very solid choice. It's particularly well suited for homes with mostly hard floors, mixed flooring, or pets. However, if your home has thick carpets throughout and you want the absolute strongest deep carpet cleaning available, a higher-end flagship model may deliver slightly better performance. Here's a pro tip. Run the robot on a regular schedule instead of waiting until your floors become dirty. Frequent cleaning keeps dust from building up, improves overall cleaning performance, and reduces wear on the brushes and filters. And that's our complete review, setup, and maintenance guide for the Roborock QR798. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more robot vacuum reviews and setup guides. And let me know in the comments which smart home device you'd like me to review next.